You know it. We all know it. Everybody's going to be watching. So much is on the table. We got more news. I'll tell you by the end what you guys need to know. Trump, tariffs, inflation, FOMC, the price of XRP dropping a bit. Crypto is kind of like a little bit on the red. People are buying, but check this out. They're rushing, running, and sprinting at 214. The question is, guys, is that the best price we're going to see this week, or at least by Wednesday when we have Jerome addressing everybody? Because a few more days left, right? You know it. Well, I'll give you a prediction for XRP, something that we are more than likely going to be visiting, right? That you should be aware if you want to trade, if you want to buy, if you want to get that dip, or you want to kind of see more chances. Also, XRP, just in, they are giving $25 million. That's so cool, right? It's not a lot. I mean, it's not just cheap money. It's a lot of money, right? We also are seeing more news. Michael Saylor today, or within the last couple of hours, buying more Bitcoin. The whales are not staying quiet. They're going in, maybe not for XRP, but just for crypto, right? And the SEC has announced the next roundtable, which is really, really cool. You remember that we have been streaming them, which would be pretty cool. Just get everybody together and listen. Well, here it is. That's the next one. Right now, we're neutral, but we could be seeing more pain ahead. I'll tell you everything, guys. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on those notification bells. If you're holding an XRP, well, I'll say, guys, we just gotta get ready for anything and everything. Honestly, Trump right now had an interview with MSNBC, Meet the Press, and he's saying so many things about China, inflation, crypto. One of those, if it happens from today all the way to Wednesday, and the price can tank, more than likely, that's what it does. Even though if it's something positive, whales can still sell, right? But anyway, right here is what I'm looking when we're cooking. I think a pretty nice, decent consolidation from the 2 to the 220. CME, they don't miss. They know that we have a few more days left, and they still are looking at a 95. Yesterday was 96. Right now it's 95. That is going to be a pause. If we don't get a pause, volatility is going to be at an all-time high. I bet you, guys, that's just going to be the case. Volatility will be so huge. But for right now, we're looking at a pause. So no change in the federal funds interest rate. Got it? So, guys, where is the price heading? Well, I'm going to, of course, look at BTCC. First link down below, guys, if you're looking for trading purposes, if you're looking to buy the dip. How does that paint the picture, right? 93,000 BTC right now, or the last couple of candles, red. So people are selling in anticipation of what's probably to come Wednesday, right? I mean, shorts are having a blast today. Shorts know that volatility is what people like to make money on the way down. You can still make money on the way down, but you're like, but Oscar, if I bought the dip, I'm holding, I'm not making money. Correct. But if you're trading, you can make money that way. And it's totally possible, guys. First link down below, you can sign up, get your 10% bonus on first time deposit, and also do it from 1 all the way to 500x leverage. Try it right now. There's a lot of people already, going in and getting their Bitcoin, their Ethereum, their Solana, their XRP, and learning a bunch. Right here, you can do trading, demo trading. Just click it, and you can start, using paper money so you can get used to, so you can learn little by little. I have a tutorial, 24-minute tutorial on YouTube. You can find in BTCC XRP, and it's going to pop, watch it, get to know what's going on, get to know how I do it. And after that, maybe you want to give it a try once you deposit your funds. BTCC, then we have Wix and Bitunix. Get all the money that you can, right? Just by following those first steps and sign up. All right, guys. Look, it is obviously going to be crucial for us to defend the $2 price of XRP. Okay? Tariffs right now brought us all the way to 160. I don't forecast that the FOMC is going to drop us that much, unless there's something that nobody's expecting. Trump or the Fed, which I don't think, they mentioned something. China and the US, they been going back and forth with more tariffs. I read yesterday that Trump is adding 100% tariffs on all movies. It's like they're just playing something, playing a game that the market's already tired of, and whatever, right? They can add more and more tariffs on all kind of like nonsense things for us crypto holders, but it's not really affecting much. He says that he wants to make a fair deal, but we don't know when. We don't know how long it's gonna take. From last, before going to Dubai, I remember hearing somebody saying, I think someone from the administration, that it was gonna take like years to get it done. So can this price, or can this volatility, or better said, uncertainty, drag all the way years? Only they know. Only they can make it happen, right? But yeah, it's I'm sure that the market is gonna pick up by then. So right now is May 2025. 5 months gone, right? 5 months already in for this year, and we just haven't witnessed anything above $3 again from January, February, March, April, right? People are getting tired. People are getting already anxious about, hey, come on, man. Like, I want to see money coming in for XRP. Like, this is a scam. This is a fail. This is a sham. Like, where's the real money, right? So once again, I kind of go back to like, look, the price analysis, the price prediction, and what I'm telling you right now is going to be more short term. Like, we could go down, could be boring. We have to wait for FOMC. Short term, right? But long term, that's where we start going perspective, right? That's where we start looking at, okay, how could we compare XRP per se to Ethereum? $3. Of course, XRP has to reach a market cap of at least $200 billion. Of course, I mean, people are speaking out their minds that XRP can reach a 1 trillion market cap. That's going to put us in the $18 or so. And just to give you the clue, 18 bucks, and that's going to be 1 trillion. You see, I already know the number. It's been a long time. We do this often, right? So what I'm saying, everybody, I'm going to close something here. What I'm saying, everybody, is that I'm not in a way frustrated or, impatient for what I know. It can happen in due time. And after, coming from Dubai and also coming from Singapore last year, kind of mixing these two events together, obviously it's a lot of flashy and people kind of want to show off what they're building, or, exchanges just trying to get more users, whatever. But those events where you listen to the experts, you listen to the panelists, and you see, what they're building on, I think that's really what I'm always more excited, the most excited about Token 2049. Because people understand that this is an industry that is growing. It's evolving, right? And I think Ripple, they're putting themselves in a really great position to change how things are done in the financial landscape, guys. So one of the reasons that I believe that when the time is right, Ripple is going to explode, and that's going to make XRP go through the roof. Explode as far as deals, partnerships, and utility. Well, guess who is going to be the one benefiting from all of that? XRP. Now, with that being said, this is the weekly. What do you notice? That the trend right now, we're trying to break those resistance channel right here. We're trying to break a much higher price in the weekly, as you can tell. We haven't been able, but in my other channel here, we broke at 220. We went all the way to 236. This was the end of April. So my prediction will be a $2 retracement, but we continue holding that consolidation, and we help the price get up back again. If that fails, okay, if we fail at $2, then we also have obviously, all these lows at 190. So you're saying that we're going to go down. I'm saying that that's kind of like what it's looking for now. The price strength for XRP is diminishing. So we definitely have the 205s, the $2, the 190s. All these levels, guys, I'm going to go ahead and mark it right now. All these levels right here, I think this is a square to watch. If not, if we actually reject and keep going up, then the price of XRP, people buying, is just so strong and you don't have to worry much about it. There you have it, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below how you're feeling. Like and subscribe. Go ahead and join BTCC. Start trading, and I'll see you next time. Peace.